जय जय राम कृष्ण हरी। बोला पुंडलिक वरदारी विठ्ठल श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम। पंढरीनाथ भगवान की जय। संत सद्गुरु गणेशनाथ महाराज की जय। Today here I want to tell you about Sant Sadguru Ganeshnath Maharaj Abhang number 5, and in this Abhanga he have told us nature of Paramatma, nature of God. निर्भय निर्नशा मुळीचे ते मौन या नाव साधन निज मोक्षाचे. What he is telling here, if you want to stay as a fearless, then we have to know nature of God, because there have three types of moksha. First one is samipata, means if you staying near to the God or that God thoughts. Which are the God thoughts? There have three thoughts. One is peace, shanti. Second is daya, karuna, and that is called in English calm, or means taking care nature, and daya. And third one is forgiveness, means forgive. Who will give make trouble in our life, just forgive it. So these three qualities where are that every person have near to the God. Because if someone is hungry front of me and I am happily eating my food, I am not thinking about that person who is 2-3 days not have anything, then this is not good quality. Means this is like we are rakshasa, or we are very bad human being. So if you thinking about that person and giving some food to him, then that is called daya, karuna, or taking care nature. Second is peace. If any situation, if I lost or if I won, no matter that situation or that position of hurt is called peace. And third quality is means forgiveness. If anyone came in my life to make trouble to me, then also we will forgive him, because we come to know this spiritual power which is having in my body, same spiritual power have in his body also. So that time we will think all are my brothers and sisters. So whenever my Swami Vivekananda is telling my brothers and sisters, that time these are not just words, it is a feeling of my Swami Vivekananda. It came from the heart. He come to know which spiritual power in my heart, same spiritual power in my brother, or in this world any men's gents, that person also have same spiritual power. So that is the feeling from his heart. And same spiritual power having any women's or ladies, so same spiritual power have in my heart, so he will tell to her, my sister, because it's not just word, it's a feeling, it's a experience. So he come to know nature of the God, or you can nature of the Paramatma, because ultimately Paramatma is only one. End of the day we will come to know that Paramatma is only one. And this Atma Swarupa, all human beings are, or any jiva, any animal is a means his Swarupa, that God's nature. So once you come to know this all knowledge, means this experience, then will not have any fear in the heart. So that's the reason here my son Sadhguru Vishnath Maharaj is telling fearless is the one quality of God, or one nature of God. Then second is nirnasha, means full darkness will go from our life. We always there one light in our life. So that's the reason, when we will think about Bhagwan Gautam Buddha, he's always telling all positive thoughts, how to live, how to survive in this society. So that time, that prakasha, that lights in our heart always will uh, means giving prakasha, this giving light to us. So that season he is telling, uh, darkness is not there, so nirnasha and muliche te mona. And this is a basic thing, this is a source of our journey. Means previously when we are in mother stomach, that time we don't have any attachment to this world. Once we come out from mother's stomach, then we have one name, we have one religion, we have some citizenship of any country. Like that, when came these all things, when we came out of mother's stomach. So here Sant Sadhu Ganeshnath Maharaj is telling, previously means our source is mukta, means we are basically we are free, but later we have taken some binding with this world, and that's reason we are thinking, I am husband of this woman, I am father of these kids, or I am son of this person. Like that we have make so many relationships, but we forget basic relationship which is already we are having from birth to death, and that relationship is called God. But we are not thinking or not concentrating on this spiritual power. On which date we will concentrate on that spiritual power, that time we will come to know, oh, this Atma Chaitanya or this spiritual power from my birth to still date, it is surviving in my body, but I didn't given time to that. I am just giving time to other lot of things, but not giving 5 minutes also to think about myself, who I am. If I know who I am, then I will come to know how God nature or how is God. Then ya nava sadhana nij moksha se, and this is a way to go that position where we will become all time satisfied. And this is called in Hindu dharma, or there we have given lot of names to the dharma. Actually dharma is dharma, but we are just as per our knowledge we are telling Hindu dharma, Muslim dharma, Christian dharma, but basic all dharma thoughts is one only, and that is just pray to the God, pray to the Allah, pray to the Bhagwan, or whatever you are, to whom you are praying, just pray it. Don't fight who is great and who is best. Do go on our own way, don't disturb to others way. So that's reason he is telling ya nava sadhana nij moksha che. If you go our own way, then we'll come to know there have three types of moksha or three types of destination. First one is salokata, means that same loka, same country we will go where God is living. Here I am giving just telling as a country, but that is called one loka where God is staying. And second is samikta, means where God is staying, nigbar to him we will go, means we will sitting front of him. So this is a second. And third is sayojikta, means we will fully sacrifice or we will fully donate ourselves to the God. Then that time we will nothing, we will we will become as a means that time we will not tell I am doing, I am eating, I am living. So that time what we will tell, God is doing everything, or God is God, means that is the highest position of the human being. And next he is telling kalpana jayala muli huni nahi. So these all are not means this knowledge is not like kalpanik, or you can tell baseless. It is not like baseless, it is have meaningful knowledge. But just we are not concentrate on this knowledge, we are thinking science way. We will means we are thinking we will how human beings are great, and that season we are doing lot of research and so many things on outside world, but not giving 5 minutes also our inside world. Which day we will give some time to our inside world, that time we will come to know this outside world is nothing but which is inside, same thing is outside. So first we have to know ourselves, then we will easily come to know about this god nature. And this is a meaningful knowledge. And so कल्पना जयाला मुळी नाही, so this is very important. And देवे दिले तेही न लगे मज, and that time don't keep any expectation from the word or from our family members, just do our duty. And here highest position he my son Sadhguru Nishnath Maharaj is telling, like, don't expect from the god also, because whatever we require, that everything already god have given. He given heart, he given mind. Then what you want to do? He given dash indriya, 10 indriyas are there: hand, leg, eyes, ear. So what you want to ask more thing, because already so many things god have given. Just think, if I lost my eyes, to replace that eyes how much money is required? Just think about that. Already default so many much crores and crores property god have given to us. So don't demand to god something else, or again something like I need child, I need property, I need job. Don't ask to god, because just tell to god, thank you, you already given lot of thing me, just I want to do remember you. And this is remembering is the most important task in the life. If you always remember to the god, then god is not long away from us, it is always with us. So feel that, because it is not wording knowledge, or we can't express those feeling in the word, just we have to feel that. That is the nature of god. जिकडे पाहे तिकडे अवघे ब्रह्म एक. So once we come to know this nature of god, then we will see this full world have created by god, this full world maintained by god, and this full world destroyed by the god. Because this everything, we don't have anything in our hand. Cloud is coming, rain is coming, we are not doing anything. By default this rusty, this nature is going on. So everything is flexible in this world. We also, now we are the child, after some time we will become young, after some time we will become old, and after some time we will be die. So this everything is changeable. So think all the some give time to know all these things, and start some atma chintana. Do just concentrate on ourselves, who I am. And then he is telling akshay je sukha yachi, now then we will get that satisfaction or that happiness which is not any situation will lose, because that is a permanent satisfaction, or that is a permanent happiness. And when it will come, once we come to know nature of the god. Ganeshnath म्हणे ऐसिया सुखासी. So who will reach that position, and who otherwise who will come to know nature of god? पावे तो जन्मासी न एकदा, then he will forget about birth and death, because he will then become a witness about himself. Means like that time he will, what he will think, I am only eating, I am only sleeping, but that I have something else. Means it will be outside of their body. So that time he don't have any connectivity or any binding with that body, and that's reason he will always happy. So many sant mahatma, if anyone create trouble their life, that time they are fully happy, or they will, their mindset will not change, they will not become angry, they will calmly, they will tell to that person, don't worry guy, don't worry, means I know who are you. Because they come first, they come to know who I am, that season they are know who are they, means these all people. So that season they will not reply any bad words, they will calmly they will tell, or they will show correct way to that person. So same thing, we have to do some practice to make as a or to know the nature of God. गणेशनाथ 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 गणेशनाथ. बोला पुंडलिक वर्धारी विठ्ठल श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम. पंढरीनाथ भगवान की जय. संत सद्गुरु गणेशनाथ महाराज की जय.